Did you know a group of executives watched their building crack apart, held a meeting, did the math, and walked out the back door? June 29th, 1995, Seoul, South Korea. The Sampong department store was groaning, literally. Cracks spreading across the roof, pillars shifting. Engineers warned management that morning, evacuate now. They didn't warn the customers. Instead, they sat in a boardroom, calculated the lost revenue from closing early, and quietly slipped out through a back exit. 17 minutes later, the building collapsed in under 20 seconds. 502 people were still inside. That meeting is documented. Those men made that choice.